for Postcron WhatsApp link generator on Google, right? And then select the first option that you see. It's going to take you straight to the website. This is the website. When you scroll down a bit, you're going to see these options to fill up this form. First form is what is your phone number. Put your phone number and your country code. For me, I'm in Nigeria. My country code is 234. Find out the country code of your country and put your phone number. Then put the message that you want people to send you, like it says there, the message you want them to send you when they click on the link. I just put hello Favour, add me up. Put whatever concerns your business and click on get link. Then you copy the link that comes out there, copy it and save it somewhere, and then go to your browser and click on bit.ly. That's what is going to customize the link for you, because that link you created at first was too long, right? When it opens there, you select their free version that allows you to create 50 links for free per month. If you want more, you can pay $8 or $10 for the extra version. So this is where they ask you to sign up, put your username and other things. I'm going to do this shortly and I'll be back. All right, when you click on sign up, they are going to take you here. You can choose to fill this form or you can skip it. I'm skipping it, so I go straight to shortening my link, and immediately it takes me here. That's for someone who has not used bit.ly before. I have to go through all that process. So what I'll do here now is in the destination part, I just paste that link I copied from Postcron. I paste it here, and that's the destination. And then I scroll down. You can put a title, is optional like they said, or you can leave it. Now the important part is the back half. That is the thing that they will see after bit.ly, bit.ly/what. I put guy and they said it's taken, so I added man to it. I made it guy man and it's available. So once I put that, I'm now going to scroll up and then click on create, the blue button create that is there, and it's just going to take a few seconds and my link is ready. That's it. No big deal. It's very simple. So my link is bit.ly/guyman. Take note of the uppercase and lowercase because it will affect the link. So don't use lowercase if you used uppercase before. And that's how you create a WhatsApp link in few minutes.